We're gonna go over how to remove the front bumper on a B9. This one is particularly gonna be on our RS5, but everything else should generally be the same between all of the B9 vehicles. Remove the negative battery terminal with a 10mm. Remove both wheels from the front of your car. Remove the fender liner bolts with a T25 Torx. Pull back fender liner to expose the upper bracket bolts for the bumper. There is one bolt that's up on the top. It is a 10mm. You will fully remove it. Remove the push lock that is on the top to free the bumper. Using a 10mm wrench, loosen the two bolts or nuts with the washers on them. With the bracket dropped down, the bumper should be loose in the corner. Essentially pop out, just like so. Using a T30, remove the 9 bolts that run along the bottom of the bumper. And then on the ends, these will be T25s. Next, we'll have to remove this front cover. All it is 6 push locks and the hood latch lever. To remove the lever, all you have to do is push the tab on the back side of the lever in to remove it. To remove this, all you have to do is lift it straight up and then out. Just be self-conscious of all the tabs that run along the top of the grille. They can break. Next, we are going to remove the T30 bolts that are on top of the grille. There's 4 of them. Now all the bolts should be loose for your bumper. I would recommend putting something underneath your bumper, especially if you don't have someone helping you. Some TGK boxes from when you order products from us. Those would make really good bumper stands. There is some connections on the backside that are electrical. There is also a coolant line for your headlight sprayers if your car has them. On our car, we have the main connection here, and then down below we have our adaptive cruise control. You just pinch them on the side, pull down. This one you just remove as any normal one. My car has a front camera, so you have the front camera cord, but because of the intercooler, we did not snake this down into another location. Just disconnect it. And then obviously on the other side, you got the same exact thing, the adaptive cruise control. Straight down. Now that you have all the sensors, you should be able to remove your bumper.